to do this Christmas parent gift for your preschoolers or elementary school, whoever, is very easy. You just need popsicle sticks. If you there, some of them already painted, or you can paint them yourself. Look at that. Then you'll need glue, and put glue and add some glitter, and that makes this kind of thing. I Mod Podged it so it will stick better and it will look shiny. You take a picture of your student, and then you laminate it, and you will stick this picture to a green piece of paper. Then you will laminate it. I do have the picture on the other side. You laminate it. Then you hot glue it to the back of your little Christmas tree. You get these stickers. These stickers, I got them, foam stickers, I got them in Walmart. They do come in 3 different colors: the white, the silver, and the gold. And I got the big ones, the very big ones. You of course laminate the picture. I cut the paper, and I cut the lamination, so it will come out the paper right on top of the popsicle sticks, and the lamination paper to stick out a little bit, so it will look like this, so you don't burn yourself when you're hot gluing the picture into it. I got this ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I cut once, and then I made a whole bunch. And then we have the almighty Christmas gift from our class. Here you can have your kids help you. You put the line of the glue, and then they'll sprinkle the glitter, you can see, and then you can Mod Podge after. But that's how the little Christmas ornament look like. On the back you can put whatever class they are, and it looks really nice. Hopefully you guys like this idea. It's very quick and very easy, and that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.